Hello everyone, myself Rakesh Patil. I am done my BE in Mechanical Engineering from North Maharashtra University and today's date is 29 November 2021 and today's topic is type of methods. Method in Java in general, a method is a way to perform some tasks. Similarly, the method in Java collection of instruction that perform the specific task. It provides the resolutivity of code. We can also easily modify code using method. Method is a block of code and collection of the statement or set of the group together perform certain tasks. Types of method. There are two types of method in Java: predefined method and user defined method. First one is predefined method in Java. Predefined method or method is already defined in the Java class libraries is known as predefined method. It is known as standard library method or built-in method. We can directly use this method just by calling them in a program at any point. Some predefined methods are length equal compared to squared. Each and every predefined method is defined inside a class, such as print method is defined in the Java print stream class. It prints statement that write inside the method. User defined method. The method written by the user or programmer in the known as user defined method. These methods are modified according to the requirement. How to create a user defined method? Let's create a user defined method that check the number or even and odd. First we define the method we have defined about the method name. Find the odd is has parameter num type. The method does not return any value. That's why used void. The method body contains the step of check the number even odd. If the number is even, the print number is even. Else print number is odd. Once we defined the method, it should call the calling of the method program is simple. Static method. A method has static keyword is known as static method. In other words, method that belongs a class rather than instead of class knowing as a static method. We can also create static method by the using keyword static before the method name. Instant method. Instant method is the method is non-static method defined in the class. Before calling or invoking the instant method it is necessary to create an object. It is class. There are two types of instant method: accessor method and mutator method. Accessor method, the method that reads instance variable is known as the accessor method. We can easily identify it because of the method prefix with the word get, and it also known as greater. It is returned to value of the private field. It is used as value of private. Mutator method, the method reads instant variable and also modify the values. We can easily identify it because of method is prefix why the word is set. It is also known as setter or modifier. It does not return anything accessible parameter, some data type that depends on field. Abstract method. The method that not method body is known as abstract method. In other words, without implementation is known as abstract method. It is always declared in the abstract class. It means the class itself must be abstract, an abstract method. To create an abstract method, we use the keyword abstract factory method. It is a method that returns object to class and which is belong to all static method factory method. Thank you.